She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again, you guys, for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe might be new to some, but old to others. It was definitely new to me. We're going to go ahead and make a twist on the normal tostada by making some chicken salad tostadas. So these tostadas are going to be a cold tostada, kind of like a ceviche if you've ever had that before, or a chicken salad. But in this case, we're going to go ahead and add a few Mexican flavors to top off our chicken salad. So as you can see, there are plenty of fresh veggies and wonderful flavors included in this chicken salad. So I hope that you guys are ready because this is a good one. So if you are ready for the recipe today, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you are not yet subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here's the full final display of the chicken salad tostadas. As you can see, we had a wonderful display of all the fixings on there. Definitely give this one a try, guys. It is light and crisp and flavorful. Definitely perfect for a summer gathering outside. And if you do love chicken salad, definitely give this a try. It's a nice little twist on the regular chicken salad. Hopefully you enjoyed today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried this version before. Share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. Thank you so much. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.